Earlier this year, we welcomed our first group of participant companies, and throughout the program today, we'll hear from each of the CEOs so you can learn more about what they're working towards and how their experience at Halliburton Labs has accelerated their efforts towards achieving scale. Don't forget, following the program, each of these companies, along with today's finalists, will be available during the networking session in their respective digital booths. First up, we're excited to have Preston Bryant with Momentum Technologies.
My name is Preston Bryant, and I'm the CEO of Momentum Technologies. We are a material science company that is focused on recycling lithium-ion batteries and rare earth permanent magnets. Since joining Halliburton Labs in 2021, Momentum has taken off. We have now joined their first cohort. Being part of the first cohort really got us some attention out in the market. It was able to say, hey, look, this is an established company. Halliburton's done their due diligence on this. They have all of this research behind them, years of research, and now we can take them seriously. So it was a good signaling point for the market when you do join something like Halliburton Labs. And in addition to being a great signal to the market, it comes with so many other benefits that we've benefited from while being a part of the program. We have weekly classes assigned to us, and we get to ask, VCs, basically anything we want to ask them. We get connected with law firms that, teach us about different ways to go about our patent strategies. And we've really worked with the Halliburton team to lean on their vendor network in order to go out and price and source some of this material that we're actually using in our recycling project. So being a part of Halliburton Labs has been, everything that we thought it would be. We really enjoy working with Greg and Diana and Scott and Dale. I mean, it is a fantastic team that they've put together there. And it seems like all cylinders are running in the right direction to get you and you as a company and you as a company coming into Halliburton Labs as successful as possible. My favorite moments from this are, being able actually to meet with Greg and just to be able to get to talk with him for an hour about, different strategies that we're talking about and even about VC strategy. So there have been, high-level discussions had with different groups that I can't actually go out and talk to the market about, but I can go talk to Greg about. And so, it's really nice to find a mentor and somebody within the program you can really trust with information like that. If you're thinking about taking your company to the next level, Halliburton Labs is definitely the place to do that. If you really want a launch pad for your company, Halliburton Labs Accelerator is the place to do it.